Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you fix Walmart card not working. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to fix Walmart gift card not working, the first method that you can do is check the gift card number and PIN. Most issues happen because of typing mistakes, so look at the gift card carefully, then enter the gift card number and PIN or access code by scratching the silver tip of the physical card or copy from email for digital cards. Make sure there are no extra spaces or errors, and for digital cards, try copy and paste the numbers to avoid the mistake. The next method is make sure the card is activated. Physical cards bought in stores must be activated at checkout. What you can do is check your receipt. It should say gift card activated. If not activated, return to the store and ask them to activate it, and then try redeeming again. Then next is check your Walmart account. Simply sign into your walmart.com on your browser, or simply head over and open up the Walmart application and be sure you are logged into your account. Then once logged into your account, tap on the My Account or Account option on the bottom right corner of your screen. Then inside, select Walmart Wallet. Then inside Walmart Wallet, select Add a gift card and make sure your account is verified and active. Sometimes card fail if the account has issues, and you can also try redeeming in on the way by checking out and entering the gift card number or PIN, or simply show the physical card to the cashier in store and barcode must be readable. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.